What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and today I got some knowledge for all my Ram owners. Now, you guys already know that we fully support Banks Power with all of their products. They're amazing. Check this out. Here's one of the many reasons why. A 2017 Ram over there that's getting some Banks Monster Ram upgrades. Now, here we go. First of all, I want to compare intake manifolds. There you see this one's really narrow, and it's got a big, look how filled with carbon that is. That is massive right there. So when the air comes in here, instead of it like flowing in here, it bounces off of this wall and it comes back, and it's just kind of a lot of turbulence build up in here, and the efficiency of the motor just goes down the drain. There's our EGR valve right there. That right there is the main cause of all that carbon. Now, here is our Monster Ram intake. As you can see, it is a lot bigger in diameter inside. Now, as air is coming in here, instead of it hitting a wall, it is just flowing right into your intake manifold through those passages right there. So there is less restriction right here, and overall the efficiency. This is what gets you that so-called CFM, right? The air rate, the airflow that goes into your motor. This right here is what helps increase it. Just the technology, the design of this right here. Now, other thing, it comes with this grid heater delete right here, which is good because of that. Now, this thing, we've already had it kind of bouncing around. All this carbon, right? This thing was pretty jacked up, right?
Yes.
So you couldn't even see these grids right here. So if you flip this around, boom, you can see all of that carbon buildup underneath there. And look, you can't even see the boat versus this right here. So this right here will overall increase the efficiency of the motor, increase the airflow going into the motor, and will help you get rid of all of this. The other thing that I always recommend clients to get rid of that is cetane booster. Out of where cetane booster is kind of like octane booster but for gas motors, but it ups the cetane rating, thus giving you a more combustion process in your cylinders, and it prevents you that. Now, I want to show you something else. We got another little project over here on another Ram that we're working on. Not quite ready to make a video on that one yet, but I want to show you something while we're on the subject of grid heaters and whatnot. Check this out. This manifold right here, this engine's only got 60,000 miles, and then look at that bolt right there. It is already, if you don't know, this is the famous bolt that ruins engines. 60,000 miles on this 2019 Ram Cummins. It's getting a bunch of other stuff done, but you can see that boat is already burning off. Probably a couple more thousand miles on that thing, and it was fixing to come right off and go right into that engine. So this is one of the many reasons why we support these products. Banks Power, #1 guys that we use for these issues. Again, if you guys have any questions on anything you guys see here, or if you want some products or some more insight on these Rams, always feel free to give us a call at the office, or check us out on social media, man. Like, share us. This really helps us keep the momentum going on all of this information. Thank you guys again. God bless.